Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to emulate games on PC. Emulators allow you to play ROMs, digital copies of games on your computer. Just follow these simple steps to get started. Firstly, download the emulator of your choice. You can use SNES 9X for Super Nintendo games. Extract the downloaded file if it's a zip or RAR archive. To a folder, you can place the folder anywhere on your computer. Next, locate the emulator's executable file, for example SNES 9X.exe, and double-click it to launch the program. Then click File, Open, or similar depending on the emulator. Browse your computer for the ROM file you want to play and select it. The game should start running immediately. Now, navigate to the Input of Control section to the emulator's menu and configure the keyboard or gamepad controls. If you're using a gamepad, plug it in and map the buttons within the emulator. Now, use all the configured controls to start playing and press Alt+Enter to toggle full screen mode on Windows for a more immersive experience. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.